The upcoming smart cities in India would need strong electrical infrastructure, for which you would need smart cables. Havells presents a range of smart cables to replenish the needs of upcoming smart cities in India. The Havells fire survival cables are used to maintain the circuit continuity and integrity during the fire conditions for locations like metro rails and public places like airports, multiplexes, auditoriums, hospitals, high-rise buildings, power plants and shopping malls as part of the safety alarm system, where power continuity needs to be maintained during any incidents of fire for a sufficient time to take remedial actions and to save human life. Havells Smart Fire Survival Cables have high-quality mica tapes along with special XLPE insulation and ZHLS sheath to maintain the most stringent test requirement of CWZ standard even at 950 degrees Celsius for up to 3 hours. Havells solar cables are used to interconnect solar cells and the terminals in control panel rooms in the solar power plants to carry electrical energy. These extra flexible wires preserve extreme outdoor weather conditions of solar power plants, are TUV certified and are insulated with XLPO and LSZH or XLPO sheath optimized for over 30 years of operations in weather ranges from -40 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius. These cables are chemical ozone, water and UV resistant and are RoHS compliant and environment friendly. The Havells instrumentation and specialty cables are fabricated for data transfer and control circuits applications. The Havells instrumentation and specialty cables are insulated with HR and FRLS insulation and sheath for optimum performance in temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius. These cables are ozone resistant, RoHS compliant and environment friendly. The Havells low voltage power cables are specially formulated for underground, in-air and in-duct operations for the transmission of power to the control panels in power plants, industries and projects for electrical installations. These cables have a long service life for both indoor and outdoor operations and have an excellent energy efficient and safety record. The Havells low voltage power cables have higher dielectric strength to minimize transmission loss and save energy. The Havells copper control cables supply electric power from control panels to large motors and other industrial equipment and in electric distribution network in power plants, industries and projects. They have a long service life with ease of flexibility. The highly reliable Havells copper control cables have higher dielectric strength, higher serve life and are energy savers by minimizing transmission loss and provide safety against functional performance. The Havells low voltage high transmission aerial bundled cables are used as a replacement for bare overhead lines in rural areas, forest and thickly populated areas with limited space and for temporary power supply, since these are quite inexpensive and require much less maintenance as compared to bare overhead lines. These cables have minimum transmission loss due to better conductivity, higher dielectric strength and have UV-resistant insulation, thus giving these cables longer service life and making them a safer and reliable option for extreme outdoor application. Havells high-voltage power cables are primarily used for power transmission in an electrical distribution network and are conducive to underground, open tray and duct installation. With virtually discharge-free XLPE insulation, these cables ensure a safer, reliable and longer service life, all the while ensuring minimal transmission loss. The extra high voltage cables by Havells are fabricated for fire transmission system to ensure uninterrupted power supply in primary power transmission network. These cables have a long service life with PD-free and virtually discharge-free XLPE insulation due to triple extrusion with CDCC inert medium. Havells extra high voltage cables minimize transmission loss and are extremely reliable against functional performance. The Havells manufacturing facility at Alwar, Rajasthan produces over 3600 km per month from low transmission cable division, 1550 km per month from copper control cables division, 500 km per month from high tension cables division, 10 lakh coil per month from house wire division, and 3000 metric tons per month from PVC compounding division. The facility houses a CCV triple extrusion line and an automated corrugated aluminium sheathing line. For the production of highest quality super premium products, Havells uses the purest grade aluminium and copper to maintain excellent conductivity to permit instant overloading in operations with minimal impact to the system and minimizing transmission loss. Havells insulates its smart cables with dielectric strength of 35 to 40 kV per millimeter and IR constant of more than 500 mega ohms kilometer. In order to deliver the best quality products, Havells uses CCV dry nitrogen technology to reduce moisture content and eliminate impurities and imperfections. Online installed X-ray monitor by Sehrawat, Germany is used to ensure absolute uniform and controlled thicknesses. Havells is among those rare companies worldwide that use large drum twister machine. Every part of this machine revolves to eliminate the possibility of tangential stress over insulating layer that prevents the shifting or migration of insulating layers, eliminating the chances of air void formation, ensuring failure-free performance during the lifetime. The in-house research and innovation center at Havells Alwar facility with its exclusive team of engineers is first of its kind private facility in India and is categorized as DSIR Recognized Technology Center by Ministry of Technology India and meets ISO 17025 norms as prescribed by National Accreditation Board for calibration and testing laboratories. The lab houses a thermal laboratory, an electrical and mechanical laboratory, a chemical laboratory, a fire laboratory, a technical library, a diagnosis test area, and a training hall. Havells smart cables are approved for use and are being used by the industry leaders across India, providing the nervous framework for the upcoming smart cities of India. Havells smart cables providing strong electrical infrastructure to the upcoming smart cities of India.